Hi friends, Dr. Melanson here for your second video this week. First, I want to echo Dr. Miller's sentiments and welcome you all to English 321 and say that I'm eager to work with each of you. Now to get started, Dr. Miller has already provided you with an overview of the 8 parts of speech. My goal is to emphasize to you the process we'll use to identify what part of speech a word is as we practice what's called functional grammar. So, what is functional grammar? In a nutshell, we determine the part of speech of a word by how it functions, what it does in context, and its relationships with other words in the sentence. To help you better understand what I mean, think about the singular letter X. What does it mean? It depends, right? On the context. If you're playing baseball, it represents a strike, which is bad. But if you're bowling, it still represents a strike, but the best score you can get in a frame. If you're putting an X on a ballot, it represents your choice of candidate. But if it's on a test, it marks an incorrect choice. So, getting back to functional grammar, the part of speech of a word, too, depends on its context, what it is doing, how it is functioning in a sentence. So, let's take the word call as an example and work through a few sample sentences. I call my best friend every day. What part of speech is call in that sentence? It's a verb. It is the action of the sentence. It is what the subject is doing. In the next sentence, I miss my best friend's call. Call is functioning as a noun. It is doing a nouny thing. It is receiving the action of the verb. It is what is being missed. What we'll learn is its direct object. In the third sentence, my best friend works at a call center. Call is telling us which type of center your best friend works at. It's modifying the noun center, so it is functioning as an adjective. So the same word call has been a noun, a verb, and an adjective. Now it's your turn. Can you think of a sentence that uses learning as a noun? Mine here is learning is fun. It is the subject of the sentence. It's doing a nouny thing. Can you think of a sentence using learning as a verb? Mine, the students were learning how to diagram sentences. It's what the students were doing, the action that was driving the sentence. As an adjective, the teachers catered to the students' diverse learning styles. What kind of styles? Learning is modifying the noun styles. It's an adjective. Now, even though in our examples here for call and learning, we've looked at a word that can serve as a noun, a verb, and an adjective, the same word can also serve as other parts of speech. Here are some examples. Sam put the book down. Down tells us where Sam put the book. It's modifying the verb put, therefore down is functioning as an adverb. Sam rowed a boat down the river. In this sentence, down is functioning as a preposition, one of a relationship of space, because it has a noun after it, its object, river. Molly bought a present for her mom. For here is a preposition. Its object is mom. Why Molly bought that present. But Molly bought a present, for today is her mom's birthday. For is functioning as a conjunction, joining two independent clauses. Molly bought a present. Today is her mom's birthday. The cat ate its treat. Its is telling us whose treat, which treat. It's modifying the noun treat. So its is an adjective in function. The dog buried its. Its is taking the place of what we would assume is the dog's treat. So in this one, it is taking the place of a noun, so it is serving as a pronoun. In conclusion, simply remember as we progress through this class that we are practicing functional grammar. So when we ask you what part of speech a word is, you must ask what its function is in the sentence. See you guys in class.